Hello everyone, welcome to Revisi. Today we will see how to convert a normal text into a handwritten format. So for that we will start creating a folder. We will just create a folder and we will name it text to handwriting, and inside this we will open the folder, right click and open with code. Okay, so inside our folder we will be needing two files. We will create one Python file and one text file. So we will first create a Python file. I'll name it converter.py, and I will create another file and I'll name it demo.txt, and inside this demo I will just give hello world. Okay, so this is the text, and we are going to convert this text into a handwritten format. So we have the text. Now we'll go to the Python folder file, and we will import PyWordKit. If you have not installed it, you will need to install this PyWordKit. Just pip install PyWordKit in your terminal and you will get it. So after that you will just import PyWordKit, and then we will just open the file. So for that I will create a variable fo equal to open. In the braces I will just right click on this text file, copy the path, and I'll just save here, and then just make it a double backslash so that you get no errors. If you have a single backslash you will be getting an error, and we are just reading with this file, so we are giving the R here, and then I'll create another file called string, and inside this string I will read the file which we have opened, that is fo. So I will just give fo dot read, and then in the next line is this code which we are writing to convert the text into handwriting. So for that we will just write PyWordKit dot text to handwriting, and inside this we will take the first text which we need to convert. So in this str I have the file which is having open the file which is having hello world. So I will write first str comma, and inside the double quotation you must give the location where you want your file to be stored. So I will just copy the same location and I'll paste it here, and I'll change it to output.png, and then after this I will have to give RGB value in a square bracket which will be 0 0 and 0. So we will get a black color. So this is the code. We will just run it and see. Okay, so we have done with our execution. After the execution you will be getting two files which the PyWordKit underscore dbs.txt is ignorable. The output.png is the output which we need to get. Basically that will just convert this text into a handwritten. We will just check it out how our output is. So yeah, this is how we got the output in the handwritten word. So that is how you can convert a text into a handwritten format. Thank you.